To become a leader, you need to have the right mindset.
Do you know what is a leadership mindset?
If not, then watch the video till the end.
Please hit like and share this video on your social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss out on our future updates.
Leadership is all about the right mindset. This is why there are many different types of information that you can take in and process, if you are in the right frame of mind.
How a person reacts to the information they get and the situations they come across is all up to their mindset.
There are many good things about having a leadership mindset at work.
Effective leaders are able to connect with others, adapt to changes, and do their jobs efficiently and effectively. This video will show you how to become a leader with a mindset that can have a big impact on your career and life.
To develop the right mindset, just watch this video till the end.
A leadership mindset is about having certain attitudes, beliefs, and expectations that help you be who you are, how you lead people, and how you interact with and influence your coworkers. This mindset is important to learn because it drives everything you do in your job.
It rules your thoughts, decisions, and actions, and it has an effect on everyone in your work environment. Your thoughts have an impact on how you interact with others, how you achieve your goals, and how well you do overall. The ideal leadership mentality has a lot of different things in common with it. The more you know about some of them and why they are important, the better you can figure out how to grow and strengthen your own leadership mindset. Are you willing to take risks?
In order to be a leader, you need not to be afraid of facing problems and instead face them head-on.
A leader will be willing to face problems and see them as chances to learn and grow.
An individual with a leadership mindset will help his co-workers when things get difficult and keep them focused on the goal. As a leader, your attitude will allow you to keep things moving forward and keep your team's morale up in any situation, no matter what it is.
Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Wish you good luck.